Welcome to delicious Seaside Cuisine, where we celebrate all things related to coastal culinary traditions, seafood recipes, and oceanfront dining experiences from around the world. Every coastal town has a unique seafood market, bustling with the freshest catches of the day. Here, you can find a variety of seafood, from succulent lobster and sweet shrimp to flaky fish and plump oysters. But it takes more than just fresh ingredients to create a delicious seaside meal. That's where our seasoned chefs come in. With years of experience, they specialize in using local and sustainable seafood to create mouth-watering dishes. From grilled octopus and creamy chowders to poached salmon and succulent scallops, our chefs will take you on a culinary journey through the flavors of the ocean. But it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Imagine dining by the ocean, with the sound of waves crashing and the smell of salt in the air. That's what oceanfront dining is all about. And let's not forget about the rich culinary traditions of seaside communities around the world. Our locals are more than happy to share their family recipes and cooking techniques, passed down through generations. And with each season brings a new array of ingredients and flavors to the table. From light and refreshing summer dishes to hearty and comforting winter meals, you'll always find something new to try. So join us as we delve into the world of delicious seaside cuisine. Subscribe now to Neptyo, the Seaside Guide channel, and never miss a mouth-watering episode. See you in the next video.